Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'd like to discuss with you about one more technical issue that I just came across with one of my Philips home theater. So in this video I would like to give you a brief summary on what was the issue, what I did and how I was able to finally fix it. So come, let's see, let's go and understand about the issue in detail. So friends, this is that home theater Philips one which I was talking about, which had the issue. So let me brief you what was the issue first. So the issue was when I was turning on the power. Actually, you see here there was no light that was showing up here. Um it was coming blank. So this Philips home theater was not taking the power. So I just turned on the power of this one just to show you a demo. Now it's showing the light, but when it had the issue, right, so that time no power was coming into the Philips home theater circuit. So now right now it's showing that there is a power, but when it had the issue, right, this power was also not displaying. uh, it was an blank actually. As there was no power, it was showing blank, completely blank. So what I did is, like, I did some basic troubleshooting. Like, I plugged off the power supply to this Philips home theater. Then I tried to check the cables first, cable connection, whether it's taking power or not, and I did other basic troubleshooting as well. So I unplugged the cable, also did some checks on the power cables that are connected to this Philips home theater. And also I checked with this power on and off button. You see here there's a power on and off button. Yeah, so when there was a power supply, I turned it off, turned it on. So I did this troubleshooting as well. And also I tried to remove these cables and checked for the sound issue as well. But unfortunately, even after trying out all the basic troubleshooting, it didn't work actually. Still, there was no power that was coming to the Philips home theater. So finally, what I decided is, like, I decided to take it to the nearest Philips care center, or you can say customer care center. So I thought of getting checked with them. Uh, so after that, I took that Philips home theater to the nearest customer care center. There, I gave it for the check, and they took exactly 1 day actually to check and give me the reason of it, why the issue was happening, and why there was no power coming into the Philips home theater. So after almost 1 day, they called me up and they said, like, there is a power circuit issue with your home theater, and they said, like, it would hardly cost some 1200 rupees. Then I said, okay, then let's get it fixed. And after, I think, they took 2 days actually. They took 2 days to check and fix it, and they also replaced the whole power circuit of the home theater, and post which, like, it is working fine now. So in between also, I was showing you, right, there was a power that was coming up. That is a post status of replacing the power circuit. So now the home theater is perfectly working fine. I'm able to hear a good quality sound as well. So I thought of giving or sharing this experience with you, because if any one of you come across the same issues, right, so you can do some basic troubleshootings, what I just showed you or what I just did. And if still it is not working out for you, so I would recommend you to go to the nearest vendor specific customer care, get it checked, and see what component has actually gone wrong or what component has gone faulty, and according to which you can, get that part replaced. to start working it again. So hope this information was helpful for you. So if you like my video and the knowledge or the experience that I share through my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.